A flu death spike in California. 32 people have died in just the past week. State health officials say it's the deadliest week of the flu season.
And CBS 2's Stacey Butler is live in Pomona, where one hospital is holding a late-night flu clinic. Stacey.
Well, Pat and Rick, and that clinic luckily is open for about another hour. Still a lot of activity here at the emergency room at Pomona Valley Hospital. Doctors say they need that clinic and they don't know for how long.
We don't know how long it's going to go on.
With no end in sight, the flu epidemic has sick patients lined up outside the Pomona Valley Hospital just so they can check into the ER. In a rare move, yesterday the hospital turned an auditorium next to the emergency room into a 6-bed unit just for the steady influx of patients with the flu.
We had such an overwhelming number of patients that we felt that having a new separate room would help us with our patient flow.
In just the last week, the flu death toll for those under 65 nearly doubled. Since the outbreak, Dr. Ken Moore says his ER is treating over 330 patients a day, many with the flu. Compare that to 280 patients a day more than 3 weeks ago. Wearing masks, we were given a tour of the emergency department satellite clinic. There, patients are assessed for the severity of the flu. Some are given x-rays, others are given Tamiflu. Dr. Moore says since more younger people, like 27-year-old Catherine Gallagher from Tustin, are dying from the flu, his staff is taking their symptoms more seriously than ever.
We have to be very vigilant that we don't miss those people and send them home just with supportive care.
In the midst of this epidemic, the results of a new study confirm the flu may be spread just by breathing. Dr. Moore isn't surprised.
You should try to stay home, not go out to the market and do things where you'd be exposed to people coughing in your face.
Yeah. And that's for before you get the flu. Now, Dr. Moore says that after you get the flu, if you have all of the classic symptoms and especially difficulty breathing, get to your local emergency room. That's the latest from Pomona. Back to you guys in the studio.